If your offer sounds hard when you talk about it, this is probably why. Many entrepreneurs explain their offers by listing everything that they do. They talk about the calls, the lessons, the support, the time, and the effort, right? They are trying to be honest and thorough, right? They are also trying to show value, but instead, the offer starts to sound like work to their audience. I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I post one video a day here on this channel, and I'm doing it for 365 days. And while I'm posting, I am studying strong, impactful brands. I'm also rebuilding and rebranding my business, and I am sharing everything that I'm learning here with you. So, all I do every day is study brands, how they work, and why they are successful. And this is something that I see very often. Okay. Strong brands do not sell effort. Okay. They're selling results. Okay. Here is what usually happens with an entrepreneur. Okay. An entrepreneur says something like, you'll get weekly calls, you're going to get worksheets and videos, and you'll get support, right? That explains the process, but it doesn't explain the outcome. People are not buying calls, okay? They are not buying worksheets. They are buying what life looks like after they purchase your product, service, or offer, right? Here's an important question to think about. When someone hears your offer, do they picture the work they have to do or the result, right? If they're picturing the effort, the time, the energy it's going to take to get through the product or the service, right? They're going to hesitate. They're going to wait. If they're able to picture improvement, they're going to lean in more and want to know more or even purchase your offer. Strong brands always lead with results first, always. Okay. Here's another common mistake that entrepreneurs make. Entrepreneurs describe their offer from their point of view, right? So they say something like, I teach, or I help, I walk you through, right? Strong brands, they describe their offer from the buyer's point of view. They answer by saying what problem is solved, what becomes easier for them, or what changes will come for their buyer, right? That shift makes a big difference. So here's another reason why offers can feel heavy, okay? There's too much explaining that happens and it's too soon, right? When entrepreneurs feel unsure, they tend to explain more, okay? More details, more steps, just more information. But that information does not create confidence, all right? It actually causes confusion, right? Because it's too overwhelming, too much information. But clear results do. Okay, clear results do create confidence. Strong brands keep the explanation very simple and they let the results do the work. They let the results do all the talking, right? Here's the most important part of this video. If your offer feels hard to sell, it is usually because the result is not clear enough yet. All right. That does not mean that your offer is bad. It just means that it needs to be tweaked a little bit better positioning. Okay. So when you talk about what problem ends or what becomes simpler or what success looks like, okay, selling actually becomes easier and calmer for you. This is one of the main lessons that I am applying right now while I'm refining my own offers and my business, L'Amour Fashions. And again, I am documenting this process with you here on Brand Impact 365. So, if these daily videos, this conversation did allow you to think about your offer and hopefully making it a little clearer, easier for your audience to understand, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. My friend, I truly appreciate your support. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.